Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is cleaning day. I am so excited about this cleaning video for two reasons. One, it's Diwali cleaning, which is always followed by home decoration, and I'm already thinking about ideas how will I be decorating my home for this Diwali. And second reason being, I'm going to do a massive declutter and organization of few untouched or unloved areas of my house that is in desperate need of attention. I received a lot of comments saying how clean and organized I am, but guys, seriously, this video will show you the real side of me, which is not too clean, not too organized, but I try and do my best. In reality, I only clean half of my house. You must be thinking, what? Is this girl crazy? But that's true. I clean half because I practically only use half of my house. As strange as it sounds, but it's true. And I'll show you how. So, this is my kitchen, the central part of my house. Now, on this side, I have my bedrooms, bathroom, kids' playroom, and on the other side, this way, I have drawing, dining, and study. We spend most of our time either in the kitchen cooking or in the playroom playing with the kids or obviously sleeping. So that means kitchen, playroom and bedrooms, obviously the bathrooms as well, are most used rooms, and everything is located on this side and hence it needs comparative more cleaning. I have a daily cleaning routine which I follow, which includes vacuuming once a day, or my mom-in-law will help me broom the floors. Kitchen I clean twice as I'm an Indian and we cook a lot. As a result, kitchen gets dirty and needs daily cleaning too. As I said, my mom-in-law helps me to do the floors, either vacuuming or brooming, and I love using my new Hoover cordless vacuum, which I'm super excited about these days, and it has seriously made my life so easy. I actually asked it for my birthday gift this year, which was just 2 weeks ago. So it's a new addition to my cleaning family and I'm loving it. I think every household must have a cordless vacuum. I do not prefer any particular brand, but it has to be cordless. So worth it. I went for Hoover because I have already Hoover mopping hard floor machine, so I thought it will fit perfect for me, but and also it was in my budget. I wouldn't lie, I didn't want to spend a lot on Dyson, which as much as I love, but it's good for carpet cleaning but not as much as the floors. So I went for a cheaper option and found this Hoover, which is working great. The other side of the house, that is dining, drawing and study, is not much used, so doesn't require a lot of cleaning, but it's a powerhouse of clutter. If I don't need anything, that goes straight into the study. It's actually not even our study, it's our storeroom. I have also put a bed here as we bought a new one for our parents. So as you can see, everything that is not needed pretty much ends up into this room. It's been almost 3 months that we have returned back from India, and look, we've even got luggage bags sitting here because I haven't found them a home yet. So today I am going to do that. I'm going to find a room to all of these bags, and I'm going to give this room a makeover, and not like buying new stuff. With whatever I have got lying in my place, I'm just going to clean this room and make it look pretty. So let's get started. So first and foremost, we got rid of all these luggage bags. We finally found each one of them a home, 4 being under this bed. Next, we moved this bed on one end so that this room looks more spacious. We also kept one of the center table here that will hide all the wiring underneath. We have currently 2 center tables. One is the wooden one is this glass one, and I want to keep this glass one away from the kids, so it's perfect position for this one. We replaced these old curtains as well with new ones. Finally, I vacuumed and mopped the floors, and tada, my room is complete. I'm so happy to have this extra room, which now we can actually utilize in summers, as this room has very nice breeze and not to mention this beautiful view of our backyard garden. I think it's a job well done, and I couldn't have done it without my muscle man, my husband. I also cleaned this corner of the house, which has a lot of old files and folders and a lot of random stuff sitting around here. So this area needs some cleaning, but most importantly declutter and organization. As my drawing room is adjacent to this area, I will may as well clean drawing room, and actually I'll move one of the center table, the wooden one in my drawing room, so that we can make Kushang practice to climb up to stand and walk. I'll be using 4-box declutter method here, which says filter each and every item and categorize it into 4 categories, which are 1. The stuff that I want to keep, 2nd, the stuff I want to donate, 3rd, the stuff I want to leave behind for next visit, and the 4th one is the stuff that I want to trash. So here I am trashing the things that I want to get rid of. This little rocker is to be donated. I will leave my husband's file for him to sort out in next visit, and I'll be sorting out my files and folders and deciding on what I want to keep and trash. This declutter method can be applied to declutter your closet, your paperwork, or pretty much everywhere. Just remember, if you haven't used anything for more than 6 months, then most likely you won't be using it. So do something about it and find it a new home, aka donate it.
Don't you think this is starting to wear me? You've been raining down like hail. I'm weak. I have tried to give you my soul, but you can't love something you won't.
I so want to clean this dining room as well, which from no angle looks dining room anymore. Thanks to my husband who converted this to his workout area while I was away in India 8 months. He says it's relaxing and motivating to work out looking outside to a green lush garden. However, I prefer to have this room as my dining room. I had to create some room for one of the luggage bags, and hence I took out these photo frames and some random stuff from one of the cupboards, which is what you're seeing lying on the dining table right now. And because Diwali is approaching, I thought it's a perfect project for me to get some photographs printed, get them into these frames and hang them, and that could be one of the decor projects that I'll be doing for Diwali.
I feel so lost, chasing what I know I will find. You got me so high, leaving me waiting all this time. You tell me that you need some space, some time to go and clear your head, and that you need to go and find your place. But you should be here with me instead. And I'm so faded, hoping that you'll come back around. You got me waiting.
I so want to show you one area that I have cleaned in this video, which actually I'm very excited to show you guys, which is my backyard. But before that, I'll show you one another area that I have cleaned, which is my linen cupboard. Guys, I seriously keep buying new bed sheets every time I go to India, thinking I don't have enough. But it was only after I was cleaning this linen closet I found what exactly I had.
Rise on the light is gone from me and you. Time flashed by and I woke up on the other side of the moon. The sun don't rise, all the light is gone from me and you. It's a shame to watch us fade away, but all the beautiful things we made are great.
To organize this linen closet, I kept everything in piles. I kept new and old bed sheets in piles next to each other, on the same level so that I can have a better view of what I have and how much. I have all the towels and toilet rolls on another level. The stuff that I do not use often, like old curtains and this quilt, is on the top level, which I can hardly reach, so it's better to keep it there. I have bought beautiful curtains in this trip to India, which I'll show you someday in my house tour video. So overall, this linen closet looks clean and organized, and on top of all, I have so much of space now and I love it. The last area that I want to show you which I cleaned is my backyard. I cleaned a little bit of my backyard, and I know you guys must be wondering, many of you guys must be wondering, why did I do it? Why doesn't my husband help me clean the backyard? So I'll tell you exactly what happened that day. So it was always on the cards for my husband to do it, but it just happened that my mom-in-law asked me if she can actually hang a wet washed bedsheet on this backyard seat. I was a little reluctant as I knew these seats have not been used for one full year and I had seen a big spider web on it. So I told her, yes, why not, but let me just clean or vacuum them first. So I went outside to vacuum them. Then I thought to clean a little bit of dry leaves and grass from the edges, then from the lawn, and it so happened that a little bit took me too far. Even my father-in-law loves gardening, so he joined me and my mom-in-law jumped in to look after cooking. Kushang was taking a nap, so we got a perfect hour to clean. Totally unplanned, but so worth it. I also tried to use my husband's fancy gardening equipment, which he always used to clean the backyard, but I went back to our desi style of brooming and all. And by the end of it, I realized it was quite an interesting and satisfying job. That whole day, I kept looking at my backyard over and over again. I have this OCD. If I clean any area, whether it's my bathroom, pantry, floors, anything, I just keep going back and feel happy. And I don't know if that's just me or if everybody is like that. I don't necessarily like the process of cleaning, but I certainly like the outcome. And who doesn't like clean and tidy home? Yes, we all do. I still have to deep clean my bathrooms, bedrooms, and also clean and organize my kids' playroom, which is a mess right now. Also the entrance, as I want to make rangoli there. I didn't want to cover these areas in this video, as otherwise this video would be super duper long. But if you wish to see my routines to clean these areas, please comment below. I hope you enjoyed this cleaning session with me and got a little bit of inspiration to clean your home this Diwali. I am so looking forward to this Diwali and decorating my house for Diwali. I've got so many plans in my mind to have something in the entrance, to have something on the main wall as we enter through our main door, and so many other things which I've been looking on the Pinterest. I don't know if I can live up to all of the ideas, so definitely I don't want to tell you anything right now. It's a secret in my head right now, but make sure to subscribe to my channel and make sure to hit the bell icon to be notified of my next video, which most probably would be the Diwali decor ideas and how I decorated my Diwali. If you want to see my Diwali home tour, guys, please comment down below and I'll definitely do a Diwali home tour for you guys. And I'll see you in the next one, and hope you guys are very super duper excited just as me for the upcoming Diwali festival. It's my best, my favorite festival because I get to do the rangoli. I love the lights. And I'm excited because it's Kushang's first Diwali, and the best thing about it is this Diwali we are going to celebrate with the grandparents, my kids' grandparents, my in-laws. So it's such a special feeling. And so keep tuned to my channel because a Diwali vlog would be coming up soon. So make sure to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.